Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to download Google Maps offline navigation. So first of all, launch Google Maps on your mobile devices. Now, once you come here, tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner. Now from here you'll see the category of offline maps. Tap on it. Now, at the bottom, tap on Select your map. Now, choose a location on your map that you wish to download for your offline navigation. Once done, tap on the option of Download. Now, let's wait for some time. Now, with that, you will successfully be able to download offline navigation on Google Maps. You can tap on the three dots and you can see various options. You can tap on View, and with that you can see you will be able to navigate on Google Maps while you are offline as well. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.